cake-nya. Ini banget, apa, moist banget. Oke.
I put it all in the bathroom. I'll leave you.
Of course, yes.
In the bathroom.
No.
Just a plate. All I want is the plate on. Just look at that. Looks like that looks moist as well.
Yes, it's moist.
Is that lemon?
Yeah.
On top.
Yes, lemon and the top, and lemon juice also. I mean, do you want with the cream?
Yes, please.
With the cream.
Thank you.
Are you going to have the piece with the lemon on?
Yes.
Go on then. And I'll have the piece. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you haven't opened it?
No, this is me.
You haven't opened it?
I hope so.
Do you want more tea?
Not at the moment, thank you, Uni.
What tea, Bri?
Probably, yes, I'll have another cup.
Oh yes, I will give you one.
Yeah, I'll have it. Refresh it. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Really?
Really, really beautiful.
Good. Is it moist? Yeah.
Yeah.
Very moist. Very good.
Very lemony also.
How many lemons did you put in?
3 spoons.
1.5 rind.
Yes.
Yeah.
And when finished, on the top I put lemon again.
Lemon on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is your recipe, Dari.
A recipe.
A recipe, yes.
Oh, right. It tastes better than mine.
Well, you know the secret now.
Jadi saya mau
The lemon
makan.
juice.
I do that.
But it's never as moist as that.
No.
When hot, just put lemon in it again.
Yeah.
This is why.
Oh, right. That's what I haven't done.
You nearly, that was
And
delicious.
Good. Again, right? Only little, that one.
180. 180. Put it on 180.
Oh yes, 180. That's right. Yes. And long and slow.
Mm.
Yes. Jadi ini lemon cake-nya, kata Dai dan Brai, enak, moist.
Very moist.
Very nice. I'll have to do that. I have to add that to the recipe. Put lemon on the top.
So you're still learning to cook then at 85?
Yeah. You just rest, Dai. If you want to lemon, just come knock knock. I want lemon cake. That's all. jealous. Like lemon cake.
Right, everybody likes it.
So do I. I prefer the lemon.
Yeah. Yeah. After do then.
Yeah.
Enak.
Enough.
Enak. Enak is mean
Means nice.
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 Enak. Very nice. Enak sekali. Enak sekali.
Uni, it's no good trying because I shall forget it. I shall forget it
Yeah, no.
tomorrow. Could I have a cup of tea, please?
Okay. No problem at all.
Nanny, is your house ready? Is your house ready?
I think he wants us to move in.
Do you want moving?
Yes, I do. Yeah. Yep. Now it's getting close now. Yes. I'm just a bit concerned with the virus.
Oh no.
It's, it doesn't matter where we are, where you are. It's,
Yes, that's right.
it's a problem. It's,
I know what you mean, right?
it's a bit concerning because of our age.
Oh dear.
I don't want to die yet.
Oh no,
I'm,
Mr. Dad.
I'm enjoying life more now.
Yes, that's right. It's good.
Yep.
Also, you have many fans.
Grandad,
Yeah.
he just said, what game should we play? And I said, snakes and ladders. He said, no, it's too easy for me. He said, Grandad told me. Is that right, Grandad?
Yep. Yep.
So what we're going to do then, we want something hard. How about that book there? With the numbers and that?
Dari, tea or coffee?
Oh, coffee please.
Coffee.
I'll have a paracetamol.
Okay.
Can I have two?
Eh?
Would you like rather have two?
I don't know. Yeah, two.
Tea.
Two or coffee. I'm a bother really. Yeah, that's
I get tea. Okay.
And, oh,
Oh,
hoppy.
and the hop as well.
Hoppy. Hoppy.
Yeah,
Do you
and
want?
after that,
Yeah,
walking
right.
around
Do you want
and
with
see
the
if you can find
lemon
a
cake?
square mat.
No.
You can find a different mat, have that
Yeah.
on it.
Another nap.
What?
Okay.
I don't think you'll eat all that then.
Lemon.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, yesterday I ate a whole big piece of this lemon cake.
It's very nice though, isn't it, Del?
Yeah.
Oh, your mummy makes some beautiful cakes.
No. And I made a cake for you, remember?
Yes,
A
I
beautiful
do,
flower cake.
Yeah, lovely. Flower cake. I'll come over this side. Oh, you've got the milk. I'll just get some. I'll get some milk.
Oh, yeah. What have you been doing downstairs?
We've been cleaning up after the carpet, man. Have you seen our new carpet?
You've been fixing.
Yeah.
You've been fixing.
My story when you came out of the lift.
Did you in that cupboard in the kitchen? You've been doing that.
Oh, I've been doing that,
I'll
yes,
put the
yeah.
shelves in.
Yep.
I'll bring.
Is it the same colour as ours downstairs?
Yeah, the grey carpet. Yeah.
Why?
Well, it went with the grey and white decor.
So you wanted that too?
So we've had the same all the way through the bedroom, the hall and the lounge.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Do you wanna milk that?
And water.
One water. One milk, one water.
Bye.
Yeah,
My
bye.
pleasure. Bye.
I'm going to wave to you in the car.
Of course. Bye, you.
Bye, Bri.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We can swap spots, can't we? That's a good idea, Dad. Good. I'm glad
We
you're...
did that yesterday.
I know, I'm glad you're clever.
We've got to go and get my washing out there. So
Yeah, we won't be pushing.
at the
We'll be sitting in the car and we look at the lights and stuff to start.
Oh, yeah.
And that Grandma will come up.
Yeah.
no, you'll come on.
You will come
We'll
up
go
there.
down.
So.
Bye.